Charlie Munger is 99 years old. His net worth is estimated at around $2.6 billion. And he's Warren Buffett's right hand. He probably knows a thing or two about making money, and he has a concept which is called the first $100,000. Now this concept originated somewhere in the 90s when a man stood up in the Berkshire Hathaway annual meeting and asked for Charlie's advice on how to build wealth. Charlie's response was, "The first $100,000 is a bitch, but you gotta do it." The actual quote goes a little bit longer than that, you can look it online, but the essence of it is that you have to start by aiming at your first $100,000. And there's a good reason why. You see, on your way to your first $100,000, you are going to acquire various skills which are going to be very useful going on. I'm going to mention those skills in no particular order. The first skill I want to mention is budgeting. To get to $100,000 when you are young and you don't have any starting capital is going to be quite challenging, and you're going to have to live a frugal lifestyle. Now to do that, you have to live below your means and to live within a certain range, a certain budget, to be able to allocate some of your earnings towards savings, to be able to work your way towards this $100,000 mark. The next thing you're going to learn is how to provide value. Because you'll be at the beginning of your financial journey, you'll be figuring out how you can help others and by that earn more money. So you'll be looking for ways to take on more responsibilities at work, or you'll be looking to start a side hustle or a business which will bring in more money. Another very good reason to aim towards your first $100,000 is compound interest. You see, once you have $100,000 and let's say you invest all of it in the S&P, the S&P has historically provided around 9% return, which means that around every 8 years your money is going to double. So after around 24 years of it being invested in the S&P 500, you are going to end up with around $800,000. Now that's not bad, right? So of course, the earlier you start, the more leverage you have, because your money will have more time to compound. If you're able to reach your first $100,000 by the age of 25, by the time you'll be 50, you'll have almost $1 million only from the compounding effect of this first $100,000. Of course, most people don't get to their first $100,000 at age 25, but it's still a good idea to be ambitious. By the way guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video because it will tell the algorithm that this is valuable content and it will be shown to more people. Thank you. So the first $100,000, they are a bitch, like Charlie said. Don't anyone on the internet fool you, tell you that you can do easy money by doing XYZ and you'll become a millionaire in just a couple of months. I'm sorry to break this illusion for you guys, it's not gonna happen like that. Earning money is hard and you have to work hard to get it, but once you start earning money and you start investing and saving money, either in yourself or in the stock market, you'll see how your growth becomes exponential and it will be easier to make more and more as you go. So brace yourself for a tough ride for your first 100K, but be sure that it's worth it and you've got the back of Charlie Munger, and I think that's pretty significant. Now, if you are looking for ways to make your first $100,000, consider subscribing to this channel because here I'll be discussing ways to do exactly that. I myself was able to break the $100,000 mark at around the age of 25, and if you want to hear a little bit about my story, you can browse the other videos on this channel. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to see more like it, leave a comment in the comment section down below, sharing at which state of the journey you are right now and where you would like to end up. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and see you next time.